What's your most favorite Bible story?
My most favorite Bible story is Jesus calming the storm. Kasi doon, pwedeng 3 levels of faith, pwedeng Jesus, pwedeng crying unto Jesus, 3 C, crying unto Jesus, okay naman. Pangalawang C is calling unto Him na parang, Lord, nag-rely ka pa rin naman sa Kanya Di ba? Hindi ka naman nag-complain lang nag-rely ka sa Kanya. Pero yung third C ko is yung having faith like Jesus. Having faith like Jesus meaning commanding the storm.
The one that struck me the most is Job, his suffering, and knowing na there's like a competition pala, no? Na in behind. So, Job is like super one of the faithful followers of God that I know. And talaga we can learn from him about pain because we all feel pain.
Sa ngayon, ang favorite Bible story ko is Rahab and the Walls of Jericho.
Bakit?
Interesting na. Because Rahab is someone na parang kung titignan yung background niya, hindi siya gagamitin ni Lord. She's a prostitute and people dislike her. But kahit ganun yung story niya, ginamit pa rin siya ni Lord.
Yung storyline ng patriarchs from Abraham, Isaac, sila Jacob, tas yung kapatid niya, tas yung mga anak pa niya, di ba? Parang itong family na to very dysfunctional. Parang ang dami nilang pinagdaanan, tas mga testing from the Lord. Pero God used them. Parang tayo, di ba? Parang we're not perfect, pero God will use us for good.